continue with the clothes painting, and in this case we will go with the clothes that protects the waist of our character. For this cloth we will also use techniques that we have used in the bandages. Really, it's not a so complex texture, so there is no great problem. The only thing is the tone difference, but the rest is almost the same. We're going to need this belt because we are going to paint some occlusions and some shadows. We take then the base tone, RGB to 100% and fill object. We will take the other two tonalities and we will start to paint the shadows. We will reduce the RGB and we will start then to paint. The creases will give us the idea of which directions should the paint go, or which parts should be darker. For example, in this lower part of the cloth, here as such under the waist belt, because of that we need it, we have to paint that occlusions, that shadows that are generated because of that belt. Let's go with the test of fire quickly, and we see the result we are getting. As I said, it's almost the same we have been doing with the bandages. Let's continue to painting the shadows in the lower parts of our cloth. Here as such, we are only painting the lower part of the creases. Let's see how is it doing. Well, we can add some extra shadows. And in this case, we can paint in our flat material, so it will be easier to look where the shadows should be. For example, here, where the cloth meets with the body, we should generate an occlusion. Well, some extra shadows. Okay, let's paint here around the belt. Let's lower a little the intensity and we will start with the shines. Here we should try to not overdo the shines intensity. We will go softly, applying these shines in the upper side of these creases. here in the upper part of the belt. Maybe some extra shadows we need to paint. It looks very plain in this area. We need a little more of the shadow on the other side too. The idea with this painting is that we left the shadows and the shines very blurred. In this case, as it is a fabric, it should have more softly shines. Let's see how is it doing with the normal material. A little more paint here in the inner part. Well, I believe we are finishing the fabric. Okay, with this we finished the character clothes and we are ready to start the next stage.